I am so excited. Although I think I say that every single month now.
Yep.
I am so enjoying preparing Sips of Sanity for anybody that's watching this that I feel sometimes it's not so much for them anymore.
That it's just for you.
Than it is for me.
Beautiful.
And this one in particular, because it is like, it's word porn.
Oh.
Like it's vocabulary.
Excellent.
What we did, or what I did at your suggestion, was I went back to our very first Sips of Sanity for this year, for 2023, and I pulled them all out to go over so that people would have an idea listening today what we've done in the past, and it might spark some interest and say, geez, it's good to know, it's good to have a new vocabulary, to be able to understand words and terms. It helps me identify what I'm doing or what I'm going through so that I have a word to put to something. Mm-hmm. So I went back to the beginning of January if people are interested. And that way they can go to our other Sips of Sanity series on YouTube, because there's always the first one free every month, or patreon.com/The Sarlos to find the entire series for every single month. So we're going to do words. We're going to do vocabulary for this month. And we're going to start with the word, or the phrase, pardon me, emotional resistance.
Sips of Sanity airs the first week of every month on patreon.com/The Sarlos.